Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you a guide on how to fix zero available plugged-in charging. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So if you're experiencing the issue where your device shows 0% available plug-in not charging, it could be due to several reasons. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the problem. So first of all, you need to check power source. Ensure that the power source you are using is working correctly. Try using a different power outlet or USB port to see if the issue persists. Next is to check power cable and adapter. Verify that the power cable and adapter you are using are not damaged or faulty. If you are if you have a spare cable and adapter, try using them to see if the problem is with the original ones. Next is to clean charging port. Sometimes dirt or debris in the charging port can prevent proper connection. Power off your device and use a soft brush or compressed air to clean the charging port gently. And next is to restart the device. Restarting your device can help reset any temporary glitches. Power off your device, unplug it, wait for a few seconds, and then plug it back in and turn it on. Next, update device drivers. Outdated or corrupt device drivers can cause charging issues. Update your device drivers to the latest version from the manufacturer's website. Then next is to check battery health. If your device's battery is old or degraded, it may not charge correctly. Use built-in battery health tools or third-party software to check the status of your battery. Next, if you're using laptops, perform a battery reset. For laptops, you can try performing a battery reset, power off your laptop, unplug it, and remove the battery if it is removable. Then, hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds, reinsert the battery, plug in the power adapter, and turn on the laptop. Check for software issues. Sometimes software conflicts or settings can interfere with charging. Check your power settings and ensure that nothing is set to limit charging. Next is to update by BIOS or BIOS for firmware when you are using laptops. Check for BIOS or firmware updates from the manufacturer and install them if available. And the last one is to contact support. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue and your device is still under warranty, consider reaching out to the manufacturer support for further assistance. Remember, if you're dealing with hardware issue, it is best to seek professional help or contact the device manufacturer for support. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!